Cleaning your Samsung Galaxy device will not only keep it looking fresh, but it will also help extend its life. First, power down your device and unplug it from any power sources. Next, take off any covers and cases and remove accessories. It's best to use a lint-free soft microfiber cloth, dampened with a small amount of distilled water or alcohol-based cleaner. Gently wipe down the front and back of the device. It's also a good idea to avoid using cans of compressed air and spray bleach when cleaning your Galaxy. Stick to these Galaxy cleaning best practices to keep your phone in peak condition.